Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and this is Tura McTavish. And today we are participating in a collab with J Dolls UK, Tina from Tina's Reborns and More, Dory from Dory Dolly, and Penny from Playful Reborns. And we've got our elf babies out to show you in a bird theme. And what I did was I took this 18-inch doll pattern that Karen from Starts and Stitches had sent to me. There'll be a link below for this pattern. I think it worked out really well. I did add sleeves from another pattern, and I added the same peacock feather fabric around the sleeves there. It's a fairly simple pattern. I think it looks really cute on the little elves, and there's so many ways to change it up. I'll leave a link below for that pattern, and I added some peacock feathers to her hair. I just clipped those in the back so they would show out the front, and I am so pleased with this little girl. This is such a fun collab, and we challenged you to show us your elves, any kind of elf doll. If you have a video today, would you please leave a note in my comments letting me know so that I come by your channel for sure. Even though we have the hashtag show us your elves, I don't want to miss anybody. Thank you for participating. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Jay, Penny, Dory, and Tina, for this fun collaboration. I have really good news. We're going to be doing these monthly with the elves. So look forward to seeing what the next challenge will be, the next theme of the challenge will be. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.